I do PPC campaigns sometimes. Get impressions but no sales. Just because you're getting impressions doesn't mean that people are going to see properly your product and they're going to see it on the best placement where you want to showcase your product. So what I would advise here, if the campaign is still unable, open up the campaign, go to bid adjustments, placements, and look up where the ad shows up. If you're bidding low, you might show up on product pages or rest of search. You might be having impressions there and no conversions. And the reason for that is whenever you see the carousel of ads underneath a product, that can go 50 pages. You might be getting impressions, but you're not getting the right eyeballs. Internally, what we like to do is first get impressions. If we're not getting impressions, no one is seeing our ads. Second, if once that we got impressions, we want to get at least 2,000, 3,000 impressions, and then we want to get the click. Once we got the click, then we have a better understanding how much would it cost us. If we have 10, 20 clicks, we would understand actually how much it costs us. That could be the issue. Why you're not getting sales. 2, it can be irrelevant. So people are seeing your ad and it's not resonating with them. 3, it can be a pricing mismatch. Your product sells for $100, other products for $2. Go figure. And then you're trying to make them buy the product. 3, it can be an FBM offer. People are preferring FBA because it's quicker to get the product. That's the reason why they would not take any action.